Find wireless internet/Wi-Fi. Chapter 1. Wi-Fi hotspots. Wi-Fi hotspots, mostly free. Wireless hotspots are places you can go out in the world where you can pick up wireless internet access from the waves in the air. Hotspots are generally found around large chain coffee shops, supermarkets, universities, airports, libraries, the big chain hotels and cyber cafes. Boingo.com. coconut-flavor.com/coconut Wi-Fi, tells you there's an open network with a green light on your menu bar. easygoal.com/hotspots, esgoal hotspots. freenetworks.org. gorilla.net/freenets. hotspotlocations.com. hotspot-locations.com. gwire.com. starbucks.com/retail/wireless. wefi.com, Wi-Fi. wi-fi.org, Wi-Fi. wifi411.com. wifi-freespot.com. wifi-hotspotlist.com. wifimaps.com. wifinder.com. wi-fizone.org. fon.com, free private worldwide Wi-Fi network. Community wireless. People get together and set up wireless networks. freenetworks.org. wirelessanarchy.com. war driving/people who find free hotspots. These people drive around looking for hotspots then post the location. warchalking.org. wardriving.com.